Hello, trading is closed on October 12, 2017. Yesterday I had a target of 2550.01. That's right here. The target was hit and there was support under it. We looked for a pattern with an early low, and that's what we got, and tomorrow's pattern should have an early low also. This pattern tends to have an early low and a late high and typically rallies into the close. When that doesn't happen, when in fact we undercut this low, it's a negative pattern. Would all be invalidated if we gapped up and took out this high. I can't rule it out, but I seriously think that's not going to happen. We have fulfilled all the MEJT targets from today. We have a rally into a resistance area. Note that we have a wall into the close. Very often this gaps down. According to somebody else's work, if we were to gap down tomorrow under this low, which I think is very likely, if that were to happen, his work would say this high is going to stand for a long time and this leg's over. Let's go over some of the signals. We hit a new high by a fraction. The new high is only 17 cents off the target. It's close enough for me. Yesterday I mislabeled wave C as 0.615 times A. It's actually 0.5 within 2 points or so of the high. And a pattern of this magnitude, 2 points, is nothing. This is the DeMark combo sell signal. Assuming we gap under this low tomorrow, which might turn out to be false, but if that were to happen, this is going to work. The sell signal is going to work. The real strong sell signals tend to take out the TDST line within 3 days, giving number 13. That's a bit far-fetched if you ask me, but that's what the rule says. We have the kind of trade that I like. All we have to do is to gap under this low tomorrow to give a signal that the top of this leg is in. The stop would be trading over this high. That's a well-defined entry and a very close stop with a large potential if the call is right. If we don't take out this high early tomorrow, ideally by gapping over it, I expect to see lower prices, most likely with a gap down, and quite likely with a gap down under this low. That would signal that all these attempts to break through resistance were not going to work. That's today's call.